Hey there guys, how's it going? Reaper here, back with another painting video. This time around we are doing the Burrowing Behemoth from Reaper Bones. It's also just a number hulk, which is the easier way of describing it. And we primed it in our usual grey primer that I've used before, and lucky enough, this one was primed before I ran out, so I actually have a light grey prime. But we started off with werewolf fur over the entire mini anyway, so any primer would have worked. That would be it for werewolf fur. Then we're moving on to dark stone, and this is for the fingernails and the sort of, well, not really nails, the claws and the sort of toenails, because they're not really shaped like claws. I also do the teeth in this color as well, and we are going to lighten it up, but this is going to be just the base layer to start to work with. There we go, that will be it for dark stone, and now we're on to cobalt skin, and this is for a dry brush over all that werewolf fur. You could do this before dark stone, it's just I was in a bit of a rush and I didn't want to wait for the paint to dry, so I moved on to another colour first. But since we are highlighting dark stone up, it doesn't matter too much if we get a little bit on there. That was that for the dry brush though, nice, quick and simple. And then we're on to chaotic red, and this is just for the inside of the mouth, just to give it a bit more of a sort of like fleshy look. And now we're on to the highlight of all of that dark stone with uniform grey. This is essentially covering the entire part, but leaving sort of the last 10%-ish of each part, just to look like it's sort of fading in once the wash goes on. And now that uniform grey is done, we're moving on to Night Blue by Vallejo. And this is just for sort of, it's got like exposed skin almost around where the carapace separates on his arms. So I'm just doing that in a blue just to highlight this separation between them two. Of course, if you really want to go into it, there are some other areas on the Mini that you could do, but a lot of it will be covered by wash, so it doesn't matter too much. These are just the two main areas that are on show. And that was it for Night Blue. And then we're on to Dead Flesh, and that is for all of the eyes. He's got the two main ones, and then there's 8 on the forehead, which is where the actual confused ray comes from. So I'm just bringing them out, making them sure they're visible. Once that's done, you're moving on to Magic Blue by Vallejo, and this is just to highlight the raised areas on that exposed skin. It's got sort of like a ribbed look to it, so this is just bringing that up, making it stand out that bit more. Once all that's dry, we're coming in with Strong Tone, and this is for all of the mini apart from those blue areas. There we go. Now all Strong Tones on, we're coming in with Blue Tone for those blue areas, and also inside the mouth, just to give it a bit of variance in the colour, as of course it is inside the skin, so it would make sense. But once the wash is dry, I'll come back with Matte Black for the, I want to say eyeballs, but it's basically a line, and then I'm putting a little cross in there just to make it pop that little bit more. And then of course we also do the base in Matte Black. There we go, and that will be it for the mini. It was a nice, quick, simple one, so it's always fun and easy to do. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.